Ignition. We've got a green light here. I'm taking it for granted because we never assume that is for the PTO. You've got this one up here, which is the ignition, and that one over there is the generator. I'm trying to show you, but it's very hard to watch this in reverse. This hasn't been started for a while. I had it on charge. A couple of pumps, chokes all the way out. Give it a kick. That was really unexpected. Okay. How easy was that? Wow. The battery's been on charge for a while, so I think I'm hoping that the generator still works. Mainly because the red light has gone out. This one's gone out. We'll work out what that one is. Yes, this one started really well. Now, because I've let loose the front wheel, done the brakes earlier, I'm going to disconnect the battery, the charger, and we'll drive it out to the yard. Let's get that organised.